Hey guys, what is up? This is Ryan Sneaks back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at a new Nike pickup that I got. These are the Nike Asuna Slide NA. I picked these up. Sneaker Shouts tweeted that these were available on Nike. I knew that there was a triple black and a red pair available, but I really just wear black and white slides. So when the black and white released, I went ahead and picked them up. I went with a size 11, which is a half size down from what I usually wear in Nike with an 11.5. I went a half size down and they fit pretty good. I haven't worn them with socks or anything like that, but I do have some room and you can adjust these to be a little bit looser if needed. He was recommending to go a half size up, so I guess it really depends on your foot. I'd say I have a medium foot and these fit pretty good. So when you open up the box here, you're greeted with the slides. And one thing I wanted to show you guys is the stamp. I don't know if you guys ever pay attention to it. This is a little bit different from what I'm used to seeing. And I've never seen a pair of slides that come in a box like this, so that's pretty cool. This is a picture of the tag on there. It says retail $45. And then when you flip it, it just says made in Vietnam. Usually with the shoes that are made in Vietnam, the paper has little lines on it. These don't, which is kind of like the paper that comes with the made in China shoes. But I mean, I guess it's different with slides. And that's really just getting like picky with things. I just kind of look at everything in a shoe. But here you do get a sticker that says upper contains synthetic leather. And then it is kind of like a dual density thing you got going on. You got this top layer of foam, then a secondary layer of foam, and then you have some more foam laid in the middle. This is what your tag looks like on the inside. And this is not like a fabric material or anything like this. So if you wear it with no socks, your foot will probably get pretty sweaty. I do recommend wearing socks with these. This top material is kind of like a fake, well, it is a fake leather. It does say synthetic leather. The women's version is more like a ripstop, and I kind of prefer that, but this is the men's one. I didn't want to risk it getting a women's one, thinking they'd be a little bit too small. And then here's where you can kind of loosen and tighten them on the side. Overall, I think these things are pretty dope. For 45 bucks, you're spending less than 50 for a pair of slides that are pretty cool. I know a lot of the trends with sandals are kind of going this way, a little bit more bulky, kind of like a Japanese influence on them. And I think they're really nice. I do want to pick up a pair of the ACG sandals that are coming out. Just the colorway that I want isn't dropping anytime soon from what I can tell, so we'll see when that happens. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.